Number 14, the first year of a charity walk event has an attendance of 500 people. The attendance grow by 5% each year afterwards. You're going to write an exponential function for this situation. We know the exponential function is governed by the equation y is equal to a parentheses b to the x. So let's find what a is. Here it says the first year it has 500 people. So a equals to 500. Okay, it says grow by 5% each year. Grow, so growth. And so it's going to be 1 plus an r, okay? And we know that the r here is 5%, but we want that in a decimal, so that is 0.05, okay? Let's plug it in. Y is equal to 500. Inside, it's 1 plus 0.05, which is 1.05, and then x just becomes a t for time. Next here, they say how many people will attend in the 10th year. So we're going to let 10, we're going to let the time becomes 10, right? So what's going to happen is I have to get a calculator. Okay, so here's the calculator, and I just have to type in that function, okay? So 500, okay, parentheses 1.05, okay, and then I raised it to where's the exponential function? Is that it? Yep. Okay, and to the 10th power. So there you go. It's 8 points. If you can see it, it is 8.14.4. So we can say about 815 people. Okay, because we round it up to the nearest person. Okay, so there you go.